Hey, Calibrate family, welcome. You know, it's all about changing lives around here, and that's what they're doing at the Driving Hope Foundation. Welding, plumbing, electrical, HVAC. The more you learn, the more you earn. Stick around. I'll see you right after this. Hey guys, learning a trade can be one of the most rewarding, satisfying, and intelligent moves you can make when it comes to your future. If you don't mind getting your hands dirty a little bit, you like learning, and you like to build, I suggest find a trade school like the Driving Hope Foundation to see where your skills and talent can take you.
Okay. $7.5 from this.
Hi, my name is Sakari Lynn. I'm doing welding just as an interest, something that I just want to do. Currently, I am measuring to punch some holes into this piece of metal right here for some bench legs that we're about to build for a company. And after this, I plan on trying to become an instructor, an inspector, and getting my licenses for all of that. Thank you. Well, this is the blueprint of what we're building and all the dimensions of the holes and the lines where everything should go.
So on this side is just going to be an expansion of the welding program, right? So we'll throw 6 more welding booths on this side, cutting station and all that. But the cool thing about this job is the new classroom. So this would be like a little mini kitchen right here, just refrigerator, microwave, stuff like that. But this is a two-level classroom built kind of like an auditorium style. And so we'll have, multimedia stuff up here, big dry erase boards, big screen TV, projector, all that kind of stuff. We still have to connect the floor on this side. So we're going to connect the floor to this side so you can sit on this side and that side.
Okay.
We're going to put in a big steel I-beam, wide flange I-beam in the wall, have it come out cantilever style, and that's what the floor is going to be resting on.
Okay.
So good structural steel project. So this is going to be our new classroom. It should hold, probably about 30 students or so.
Man. So is this where they're doing electrical work or?
Yeah, this is where they're doing electrical work, drywall, framing, hard work.
Man, look it up.
This classroom is going to replace the classroom that we have across the street. Across the street, we got a 40-seat classroom, but we're going to use that building. We're going to use it for our new HVAC program. So we got a HVAC program starting May 1st,
Okay.
and we're going to move them across the street.
Gotcha.
So in total, between the 3 units, we'll have a total of 20 welding booths with a combination of MIG and TIG and stick welding, mostly focused on structural steel, stick and flex core. All of our students, almost 100% of them, are going to earn their LA City welding license, which is really cool, which is why we need that big classroom for that test prep class, really challenging. Let me show you our test lab. We've got 8 welding booths on this side here. 6 on the side we just came from, and then we have 6 more on this side. All the students, so this is our test lab. We're an accredited test facility for the city of Los Angeles. So LA Department of Building and Safety, there's our certificate of approval up there. All the machines in our test lab are all calibrated regularly. All the students are in here are testing. So they're testing, getting ready for that LA City welding license. We've got stick booth on this side and flux core on this side, all structural steel welding. Today we're replacing our fume extraction system, so we've got a new fume extraction system ready to go. We'll have our pipe welding class out here. So we have a couple awnings that we set up. And then we've got some stainless steel and some steel pipe. And we'll have students out here working on their pipe weld. So it's lunchtime right now. So we had class this morning, ended at about 11:30. This is where the students will sign in. And on a full day, we'll have a whole nother row of seats here. This seats 40 students at a time. And when we're in session, this classroom is full, packed. Wall-to-wall students, we can barely fit them all in here, but a good 40 students at a time we can get in here. And this is, so we're gonna move this to across the street in the new auditorium we're building, and this is gonna become the home of our HVAC program.
HVAC program.
Yeah. So we've got some projects coming up, and the students are gonna build them all. You know, so all the construction projects will be done by our graduates. For me, this is the coolest thing I could think of, so this is what I'm doing. And then kind of our auxiliary classroom.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Christina Queenie. The reason I took up welding is to have a better career opportunity because I came from a less fortunate background, and I see welding as a good opportunity because I could work for the union and get paid more. It's a really fun trade, honestly. We are able to work at our own pace, and when we need help, we just ask the teacher and all that stuff. So it's really good. I like it.
Okay. What's your favorite welding process? Is it MIG, TIG, flux core, stick? Which one do you like the most that you see yourself doing?
Well, I want to be certified in all of them so I could have more hiring opportunities. But for right now, I'm still working on stick welding, and I should go to MIG and TIG soon since I just got here about like 2 months ago. Well, almost 2 months, so.
Hi, I'm Jade. I took up welding because I did a construction class in high school, and my teacher said he felt like welding would suit me very well. Little did he know, he was very correct. I'm loving it. Currently, I'm doing flux core. It's pretty fun, challenging, but it's cool. I want to do pipe welding for a little bit, just for the experience, but I genuinely see myself doing kind of like Manny's doing, having a little school and teaching more people. When the newer kids come in, I enjoy going around and teaching them, giving them pointers.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Zeider. Currently, I'm learning stick. I came here because I want to provide for my family, have a better outlook for myself. Currently, like I said, I was doing stick. I want to learn all the processes, but I think, being here welding, I think it's a good opportunity for anyone. I love it, and I really never thought of myself doing this in a million years, but I'm having a fun time so far.
I'm River Green. I chose to do this because my mom convinced me to do it in order to get further in my career of electrical. And I think that it's good for the younger generation to have a trade instead of go to college and stuff, because it costs less and it actually gives you the actual work experience with the actual certifications and stuff.
My name's Jay Davis. I started welding because it was fun. Like you go to any other job, it takes like years to get in there. But if you come here, you get in like 5-6 months if you stay on your grind. You know, weld's easy. Y'all come down here and check it out.
My name's Steven Padilla, and I took up welding because it's a hobby of mine. And hopefully one day I'll be able to go down to the docks and use my AWS D11 as for a job down at the docks. They're starting off at like 63. The overtime is like 103 or something like that. So that's what I'm looking forward to.
All right.
You guys could do it too. Get it done.
That's right. Congratulations, man.
Name Darren Johnson. I got into welding because I started looking into careers and figuring which one would be the best. Not to be lazy, but not too much labor, not too much hard work, blowing your back out and certain stuff. There's other stuff that come with it, but you know, something that wasn't gonna be too hard on me, something that I enjoy, kind of passionate about.
Tell us about what you're working on right here.
Right now, this 3G vertical test. Got a weld at a 90-degree angle. That's what I'm working on right now, trying to get my 3G cert for my 4G after this. I really want to get over to this. That's a lot more advanced, 5G and 6G.
Yeah. You on your way, brother.
Man, trying to get there. Not in a hurry, but in a smooth pace, you know?
That's right.
Yeah.
All right. Congratulations, brother. Keep it up.
Appreciate you, fam.
All right now.
My name's Aaliyah, and I'm doing welding because I don't know what else to do. Don't want to go to college anymore or go to school. I just want to be able to get a job and make good money soon. And I want to do TIG welding for pipe or anything with TIG welding, honestly. The reason I want to do TIG welding is because I just think it's the most interesting type of welding and it's the most fun for me.